ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Course. So today, this is another high fade. I want you to pay attention and watch this video very closely so that you understand this thing once and for all. I want you, after watching this video, I want you to go and practicalize it. This thing is very simple. Do you understand? Watch how I'm going to do this one again. I've done it before. Watch this one again so that you perfect it. No one is perfect, but there is no other. After watching this video, you will not be able to cut this hair now. Make sure you share this video and don't forget to follow me. But if you are not following me, you are missing a lot. Follow me for theory and practical. That is what HUC, High Universal Course, does. Let's go. Now the first guideline is going to be skin. Join the blades together. This is it. It's under lookout level. Put it like this. Join it together. It's under skin level. Sorry guys. Now turn your hand like this. You can first carry it up like this, or you can carry it like this. Anyone you like. Can you see it? You create the first guideline. Make sure you follow it accordingly. Texture it very well. If you don't texture it very well, you are going to miss the blending when you are blending it. So follow it accordingly. So you skin it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? So after you skin it finish, I don't want this video to be too long. Please share this video. Let other people benefit from this video. Please. And don't forget to follow me. I know why I'm saying this. You are not going to regret becoming part of this family. Follow me for more. So after you have created the first guideline, which is skin, the second guideline is going to stop here. And you are going to put it under lookout level. You open the blade. Can you see it? You open it like this. You follow it accordingly. You create the second guideline. Create the second guideline. Can you see what I'm doing? Follow it accordingly. Everything is step by step. That's why I told you that barbering requires what? Your maximum attention. Barbering is all about calculation. See, after you create the second guideline, you put it under what? Semi-low cut. Don't close it finish. Don't close it finish. Open it small to remove this line. Because if you close it finish, and if you are removing this line, it will still be creating another line. Do you understand? So you put it under semi-low cut. I do call it semi-low cut by opening it small. Follow it like this. Can you see it? You can use the edge of the blade to remove it. Watch what I'm doing, guys. Make sure you share this video. Please let other people to benefit from this video. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be telling you all these things. I'll just be doing like other barbers. I'll just barb my barb, do my work finish, just edit it. I'll just post it without showing you how I did it. Do you understand? So share this video. Don't be stingy. So after you have removed the line finish, the third guideline is going to be on what? Step 1. Can you see? This is very simple. It's going to be on step 1. Once you put it, you open the blade, put it on lookout level, you follow it accordingly. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see it? Can you see that the blend is coming out small? There is no how you calm down and watch this video that you will not practicalize it tomorrow or the next day, any day. You cannot practicalize it and you get it. It's very simple. Barbering is very simple. Don't let people deceive you that barbering is hard. No. Once you have the passion, the zeal, the focus, you are good to go. And stop comparing yourself with other people. Do you understand? Nobody is better than you. As a beginner barber, as you are doing it, you'll be making mistakes. That is how they did their own too. All those people that think that they are professionals, wow, they were once like you. So stay consistent. Do you understand? So after you have created the third guideline, can you see the blend is coming out? After you created it finish, you remove the step 1. Once you remove it, you put it under lookout level. You blend here. Watch it. You see that step 1 guard is still showing line here. So use your normal blade lookout. You flip it up like this. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? please share this video, let other people benefit, please. And don't forget to follow me for more, because you're not going to regret. You're not going to regret following me, because this space, I came to make sure that everybody will be able to know how to cut hair. For the fact that they have the zeal, the passion, I'll make sure that I'll detail it in a way that you will understand it. You don't need to go and be paying money that you want to be standing. No. Calm down, watch it, practicalize it, keep doing it. So after you have removed this finish, can you see that the blend is coming out, right? You put it under what? Low cut level again. You put it under low cut level, put it on step 1. You turn your hand like this, you blend it. This is high fade. Watch it. Can you see the way I'm doing as if I'm brushing the hair down? Can you see it? Can you see? Guys, can you see? It's very, very simple. I just want you to get this basis. I just want you to understand this. It's very, very simple. You see, all those things that other barbers are not telling you. HUC, high universal cut, will surely tell you. I'll never hide anything from you people. I will not. I came here empty. I will go empty. I don't want to go with what I know. I will never hide anything from you people. Can you see it? Can you see it, guys? Guys, can you see it? After you blend it finish down, as in after you brush it down like this, you still put it under step 1, under low cut level. You blend it up like this. You blend it up like this. Can you see it? It's very, very simple. Barbing is very, very sweet. When you know what you are doing, it's very, very sweet. You love it. So after this one now, you see I've gotten the blending right. You turn your hand downward. You brush it like this. You're already done. So you turn your hand like this. Turn your hand like this. Turn your hand like this. Blend it down like this. Can you see it? It's very, very simple. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. I just want you to get the basics. Anything that you see that I do here is the same thing that I will do to the other side. So it's the same process, the same settings, the same way I hold my hand, the same way I'm rotating my hand. That is the same way I will do the other side. But I just want you to get the basics. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to stop it here. So if you find this video very helpful, make sure you share, like, comment, and save it for future purpose. Invite others, tell other people about this stage. Let them come and follow us and learn whatever they want to learn. Can you see it? It's very, very simple. This is high fade. After that, then you can trim it. Can you see it? I don't want this video to be too long. Let's stop it. I love you guys. Can you see it? This is what we call high fade. Very simple and unique. Very organic. It's raw. No fading. No filter. No editing. Everything is raw. I love you guys. One love. Let you see that. Make sure you follow.